Section 2, Equipment Inspection Management System and TPM System Management. Part 1, Relevant Concepts. In industrial production, the importance of inspection is increasingly recognized. Inspection, under the guidance of the Total Productive Maintenance (TPM) philosophy, uses the five senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell, and necessary instruments, tools, and online monitoring systems. According to established technical standards, the 5Ds method is applied. Comprehensive checks and diagnostics are carried out on equipment. This involves identifying defects, abnormal conditions, and potential risks in the equipment. It also gathers early fault information for timely action. This is a management method that eliminates faults at their inception. The inspection system is a modern maintenance management system based on inspection as the core, implemented during the equipment operation phase. The 5Ds in equipment inspection work are fixed point, fixed method, fixed standard, fixed personnel, and fixed period. Part 2, Inspection Management System. What are the contents and significance of the equipment inspection management system? Enterprise management decisions need to be implemented through organizational structures. To achieve business goals, it is necessary to establish a corresponding inspection organization and management system. A well-developed equipment inspection management system requires lifecycle management of equipment, focusing on the combination of two aspects: achieving three-level inspections, establishing 4 major standards, and building 5 defensive layers, reducing 6 major losses, and strengthening 7 management areas. Ultimately, achieving the goal of maximizing the enterprise's economic benefits. The goal of technical management is to ensure that equipment is in good technical condition, and to continuously improve the technical quality of equipment, so as to achieve the best output effect of the equipment. The goal of economic management is to pursue the cost-effectiveness of equipment over its life cycle, achieving good investment returns. Only by combining technical management and economic management can the best overall equipment benefits be achieved. The 3-level inspection system refers to daily inspections at the position level, specialized inspections, and precision inspections. The 4 major standards include maintenance standards, inspection standards, lubrication standards, and operational standards. Part 3, Equipment Inspection System. The equipment inspection system is centered around equipment inspection. It is a system established based on the planned equipment inspection standards. It includes the inspection content, cycle, methods, responsible personnel, analysis, handling, and information feedback. The following introduces the content, methods, and cycles of the inspection system. Inspection content includes mechanical and electrical elements. The 10 key elements of mechanical equipment inspection are: inspection of pressure, temperature, flow, leakage, lubrication standards. Unusual sounds, vibrations, wear or corrosion, cracks or breakage, deformation or loosening. The 10 key elements of electrical equipment inspection are: temperature, humidity, dust, insulation, unusual sounds, unusual smells, oxidation, loose connections, current, voltage, etc. The main content of daily inspections includes using the 5 senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, smell, for checks, repair or replacement of small parts, tightening and adjustment of springs, drive belts, bolts, brakes, and limiters, non-dismantling cleaning of tunnels, trenches, workbenches, and various equipment, refilling lubrication devices, adding oil to lubrication points, draining steam drums and air tanks, etc. Inspection content and results should be recorded. What are the methods for inspection? There is the 5 senses inspection method, which uses sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell as basic methods. There is the measurement inspection method, which involves using simple instruments and tools for measurements. There is also the precision inspection method, which uses specialized instruments for detailed inspections. Common instruments include diagnostic and thermometric devices. Diagnostic measurements are typically performed according to ISO 2372 standards. Inspection states are divided into static inspection when equipment is not running and dynamic inspection when equipment is running. This can be determined based on the equipment's importance and specific conditions. Inspection phenomena and analysis are used to determine equipment condition through qualitative benchmarks. It can also be determined through instrument monitoring data based on quantitative benchmarks. Based on the importance and usage of the equipment, inspection is divided into routine inspection, maintenance inspection, and specialized inspection. In production, specific inspection responsibilities can be determined for different equipment. Part 4. Implementation of inspection management. First, 4 stages of inspection management. The implementation of inspection work is centered on inspection. It follows the 4 stages of PDCA for standardized management. The 4 stages consist of setting inspection standards and plans, implementing inspection and repair work according to plans and standards, checking implementation results and conducting actual analysis. Based on actual inspections, developing measures and improving autonomously. Now, let's specifically introduce the preparation and implementation aspects. First, the preparation work before implementing inspection tasks. A. Divide inspection areas. B. Identify the equipment to be inspected. C. Implement the 5 Ds for equipment and establish the 4 major inspection standards. Maintenance technical standards, inspection standards, lubrication standards, maintenance operation standards. Develop the inspection plan. Second, implement daily inspection tasks. Daily inspection includes checking, cleaning, lubrication, tightening, adjustment, tidying, and simple repairs or replacements. Specific tasks include: A. Carry all necessary inspection and testing tools. B. Record detailed inspection locations and operating conditions of the equipment. Record any abnormalities found, including fault conditions, handling process, and replacement parts, model, type, quantity. Part 5. TPM System Management. TPM, also known as Total Productive Maintenance, aims to improve overall equipment efficiency. It establishes a productive maintenance system with equipment life as the focus. TPM is a system of equipment management and maintenance involving all employees. The characteristics of TPM are: first, overall equipment efficiency. Second, comprehensive equipment system management. This means involving all personnel related to equipment in its management. Third, full participation of all employees. This means involving all personnel related to equipment in the management of equipment. TPM productive maintenance content. First, after a failure or when repairs are needed due to downtime. Assess the impact on the enterprise's production, quality, cost, safety, delivery time, and the extent of the resulting damage. Based on this, classify the equipment into 3 categories: A, B, and C. Category A refers to key equipment. Category B refers to major equipment, and Category C refers to general equipment. Different maintenance methods are applied to different types of equipment. Key equipment, Category A, is maintained using condition-based maintenance. Major equipment, Category B, is maintained using preventive maintenance. General equipment, Category C, can be maintained using corrective maintenance. TPM can be carried out following the process outlined in the chart. First, determine the basic principles and goals. Establish the organizational structure. Establish the overall system. Develop standards. Educate maintenance personnel, conduct evaluations, and proceed with subsequent steps. Finally, TPM focuses on the 5S system. The 5S principles are: first, sort. Organize and arrange items in order, removing unnecessary items. Second, set in order. Organize production operations, ensuring all necessary documents and tools are available. Third, shine. Keep things clean with no dirt or debris. Fourth, standardize. Maintain standardized cleanliness throughout the work environment. Fifth, sustain. Maintain a disciplined and professional working environment. Develop good habits. And follow established rules. The core of 5S is to cultivate good habits and a positive atmosphere for standardized and efficient production. It is not only an essential guarantee for the success of TPM, but also a key task in enterprise management. This concludes the course content. Thank you for watching.